All right.
Ready? All right. Exile Judah to Babylon. Daniel, Hananiah, Mishael, Azariah. Change name, faith, same. King's food, no. Vegetables, yes. These 4 men are the best. Nebuchadnezzar sleeps. Nebuchadnezzar dreams. What is this that I see? Enchanters, sorcerers, and magicians, tell me what my vision is. We don't know. We can't say. Will we see another day? Daniel says, wait, I will pray. Daniel sleeps. Daniel dreams. God tells him what it means. Statue. Gold, silver, bronze, and iron and clay. Rock smashes it away. God uses Daniel to save the day. Nebuchadnezzar's statue. Horns blow, bow down low. Not Shadrach, Meshach, or Abednego. Into the fire furnace they will go. Fiery furnace. Wait, what is this I see? I thought that there were 3, but there's 4. Come out! Blessed be Yahweh. Years later, King Darius, law, pray to the king. Daniel prays to Yahweh and prays 3 times a day. Evil men catch him to the lion's den. Lions roar, lions bite. Angel comes with great might. Lions' mouths are shut tight. Wait, say. God protects Daniel all night. Daniel sees a vision. The end of days, the Son of Man. Jesus is his name.
Hi,
Cool.
With an interruption of commercial break.
With an interruption.